Hello and good day everyone, this is Doc Ed Padama. A lot of you are requesting a copy of the complete guide to research writing and this is for free. Para dun sa mga hindi nakakaalam kung paano ito gagawin, just follow my instruction. Open your TikTok app and then after that, go to my TikTok account, Doc Ed Padama, hanapin nyo lang. And then while you're here, click nyo na rin yung follow. Okay? And then after that, observe yung link 3 at the bottom of my profile. So, yung merong kadena dyan na may HTTPS. So, we're going to click that para ma-demonstrate sa inyo. Click nyo lang yan, yung link 3. And then, it will automatically guide you and direct you doon sa iba't ibang social media account ko, specifically sa TikTok, sa Instagram, yung official Facebook page ko where you can send me messages, and then doon sa YouTube channel ko. And then on the fourth link, you have nakalagay dyan, Google Drive, Complete Guide to Research. I-click nyo lang yan and it will automatically direct you doon sa Google Drive kung saan nakalagay yung Complete Guide to Research Writing and more. Meron pang ibang nakalagay dyan. Meron dalawang extra dyan aside doon sa MS Word na Complete Guide to Research Writing. So, yung mga links, useful research links nandyan. Types of research gap. Ayan, meron tayo dyan. And then after that, ito yung mga links na pwede nyo magamit pag nagsusulat kayo ng research ninyo. And all of this are available for free dito sa ating TikTok account. Okay, thank you very much everyone. Stay safe and God bless. See you on our next video. Bye!